Okay, thank you, Anne-Marie, for the introduction. I'm really excited to be here. So today I'm going to be talking about privacy, which I think is a challenge that anyone working in computer vision is likely to face, but I'm also an optimist. So I think that incorporating ethics can really help bridge the gap between a product that checks all of the necessary boxes for regulations and one that really preempts users' concerns and assuages mistrust. So my goal for today is to say a little bit about what makes privacy so challenging, but where the real upshot is to leave you with an ethical lens, so to speak, that you can apply to your work and that can make this challenge a surmountable one. So I am sure that you've heard about privacy issues reading headlines in the news. You know the story. A company comes out with some new product, and then it faces backlash from users. Then the company has to go into disaster mode under mounting public pressure, and inevitably has to walk back some new innovation that they've made. Not exactly ideal. And yet this is precisely what happened with the IRS earlier this year when they announced a partnership with ID.me that they would be using for identity verification services. So taxpayers would now, in order to access their online accounts, have to upload a selfie that would then go through ID.me for verification. Now, following this announcement in January, there was loud opposition from both privacy groups as well as bipartisan legislators. So we had Ron Wyden, who said no one should be forced to submit to facial recognition to access critical government services. And we also had Senator Jeff Merkley, who introduced a bill in opposition. So after landing in hot water and receiving widespread criticism, the IRS makes an announcement just 1 month later that they're going to be ending this contract with ID.me and reversing course. And the IRS Commissioner Chuck Rettig said, everyone should feel comfortable with how their personal information is secured, and we're quickly pursuing short-term options that don't involve facial recognition. But by this point, the damage had been done. The IRS had faced a brutal blow in the court of public opinion.